Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, my today's video is very important and 3-in-1 for you. That is, I will be sharing very pretty and amazing design ideas of face masks and with different type of hand art. Firstly, you are seeing very beautiful and pretty hand painted face mask designs. Yes friends, you need, if you want to create them exactly the same look, you can use matte fabric colors or you can also use pearl fabric paint colors. And for beginning or starting, I have shared step by step detailed tutorials on how you can make these patterns by using hand paints. And nextly, the next part of our video contains hand embroidery patterns and a very beautiful and mixed collection of machine embroidery and as well as silk ribbon embroidery. Friends, for making the embroidery through hand art, you can use wool, embroidery wool that is very thin, similar to embroidery threads, or you could use embroidery threads like Anchor or DMC for making them. And for the machine embroidery, you can use different sort of different company based threads like shiny thread, like Vico, or any sort of other country based or regional based thread companies. And for silk ribbon embroidery, you can exactly use these patterns, but you can use thin ribbon for making the patterns and flower and leaves. I hope my today's video was amazing for you and would not be tiring for you, because I have very short and very mesmerized and composed collection shown you in this video, so that you could not get bored or your lot of time could not be taken, and with a very few minutes your whole design collection could be overviewed, or you can get amazing ideas. So please take care of yourselves, design your masks, create your classy and chic looks, and at the same time stay protected from different sorts of viruses like COVID-19, different breathing problems, seasonal viruses, allergies, dust, pollution, pollen, and etc. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, stay blessed. We will soon be back along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care.